How are you doing? I'm good. Do you guys, when you buy a pizza, can you add your own toppings? Like extra toppings on the pizza? Yeah. So if I wanted to add this thing over here, am I able to do it?
What did he say?
No, my sister, I just want to add on my pizza because my girlfriend Samantha said you can do it. It's possible. That's fine, my sister. Can I pizza? No, small pizza. The Kawanga. The reason your airline is not going to go back is because you are always lying. You told me that they can add extra chicken feet on the thing. I could just want to act like it. Since Samantha lied to me, I'll just do it myself because she just wants to act like she knows everything.